Hey guys, what are you all up to today? I'm just having a great time. See all that snow on the ground? I don't know if you can see it dripping from the top of my roof, from my guttering. I'm gonna turn the camera around. Hang on a second. So we had a really wet snowfall last night. Not a lot, maybe 2.5, 3 inches. And so the wife and I have been out cleaning off driveways, ours and the neighbors. We get home and we've got a electric heat pump. And my wife says, the heat pump, the outside unit's making kind of a funny noise. So I come out here and this entire thing is covered in, I don't know, an inch layer of ice. I've broken all that off. We've got us a little problem. I don't know if something built up on the fan blades inside and threw it all off balance, but it's broken this sheet metal loose almost 2/3 of the way around. So I don't have a lot of stuff here as far as material. I'd like to take it off and weld it or replace this or something, but for right now we're going to take some angle iron and some little flat stock and see if I can't just put some self-tapping screws in it and get it to hold it in place, because it's only in the 30s and we've got the heat turned off right now. So I could put it on auxiliary heat and not use this outside unit, but that gets kind of pricey. Don't really want to do that. So I don't have a tripod, so I can't really set the camera up. But so basically, I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna do. I gotta stay out of the motor on that. I don't know how much room I got to tie into that, but I gotta try and figure out some way of supporting this with the rest of this. Well, here's my redneck butchery. So I had these angles and I drilled some holes in them. Wasn't really sure what I was going to do. I drilled some random holes. I wound up using the bolts to hold the fan motor to the bottom of the unit. Of course I lost one, you know, it fell in here someplace, but we're not gonna worry about that. And then I used some self-tappers to tap that outside part. And I don't know. Let's go turn it on and see what happens. All right, so I had Mama Warner turn the system on. Mama Warner turn the system on. System on. Huh. Well, sounds like it's running. That doesn't look too bad. That'll get us through the winter, and then I'll see if I can find a new one of these tops, be able to unscrew that fan, take this little top bolt and replace it with another unit. So, alright, that's what I'm working on today, guys. I hope you're having a little bit more fun than I am. I hope to get out on a mini bike in the snow, but I don't know, probably gonna pass on